Every great home begins with a vision of comfort, quality, and a better tomorrow. At Aryavarta, that vision is steadily becoming a reality as construction continues exactly as planned. The backbone of the project, the reinforced cement concrete core structure, has now been successfully completed. With the main structure in place, brick and block work across all buildings has also been completed. In Block A and Block B, plastering work is now finished, bringing the interiors closer to their final form. Electrical wall conduits have been installed, laying the foundation for safe and efficient power distribution. Our key amenities are also taking shape. The swimming pool and the underground reservoir are now complete. Finishing work has begun, with tiling currently in progress in Block A and Tower B. Balcony railings have been installed, ensuring both safety and elegance in every home. Inside the apartments, internal painting work is underway, while external painting is gradually transforming the building's appearance. And to give our future homeowners a glimpse of what awaits them, our sample flat is now ready. It beautifully showcases the quality, design, and materials we proudly offer to our valued clients. With construction progressing smoothly, Aryavarta will be ready for you to move in within the next 7 months. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and contact us today to make Aryavarta your own. Aryavarta, your future home awaits.